Hi guys, yeah, welcome back. Let's have a look at the Riviera. Do you want to run through them for us, Marcus?
So, on the 9 is Whitney Houston. At 10 PM we have a tribute to Adele. On at 11 is Il Divo.
Good show.
Then on at 12 you have Dean Ryan. Eyes down every evening from 8:15 till 9 o'clock. Then tomorrow night at 11 PM you have a brilliant show, Shawati Go.
Yeah, all worth coming and having a look at. That's in the Riviera. So they're either open tonight or just got the club open for the entertainment. Okay, we're going to have a look at the Ambassador today now. Why we're having a look at the Ambassador is because we think the Western Saloon bar is going to be open tomorrow. Yeah, I think I said something like it might be opening in March, yeah, on my videos, but so where we usually go for our information, Lucy? So I've been told, she said it's definitely opening tomorrow. There's the back bar. Explorers Club with the Orient Express in the background there. It's the bar, they've done it out. Alright guys, I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing what I'm doing here. Yeah, the Ambassador looking good. I'll try and get across the road in a minute. There we go, we made it. Yeah, so we're coming down now. Still don't know what they're doing with the spit on the end. There's been no rumours with that. They seem to have taken it out. We did hear they're going to make a terrace out of it, but yeah, I don't know what's going to happen there. So there we go. Having a look at that. I'm sure that's going to be something. I don't know if they're going to put a bar in there, maybe. Just put a bit of a terrace out there and a bar, maybe. Not really sure. I think that's what I'd be doing. If you get a bit more space. While we're on, we just say well done to Liverpool last night. Made a game of it. Give people their money's worth. Wow. think it was a bit tense if you're a Liverpool fan last night or a Chelsea fan. Miz races is Chelsea, obviously. What do you reckon? Are Paul going to do the 4 this year? They're back in the Premiership race now. Still in the FA Cup. And still in the, what's that other cup called, Marcus? Champions League, is it?
You're right for Champions League.
Why for Champions League, yeah. Is his ambassador back open now? Was that tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I believe.
Yeah, we believe it's tomorrow.
Don't know, mate.
Doesn't that actually look very open at the moment? Ambassador player 1. It's not numbered, that one, Marcus.
No,
Oh, it's got the number there. Huh? So we're going to have a bit of walk round now. See if the gates are open.
It looks like summer might be happening.
Yeah, I can't really get in there to have a look at the pool. Look at this, guys. I don't think this is going to be open tomorrow.
The hotel's open tomorrow.
It is, yeah, thank you. There you are. The hotel's open tomorrow.
I never know. The bar could open tomorrow, because I mean, they might even work overnight.
The Western Saloon, I should be very surprised that's open tomorrow. It's still looks like a bit of a building site. You never know though, guys. Miracles have happened in Bendorm before. So yeah, don't seem to be too much activity. Pretty sure that won't be open tomorrow.
We just said exactly the same thing.
So guys, we're going to keep an eye on it anyway, and as soon as it's open we'll let you know. Okay, going to carry on down a little bit. Can't even see if it's fitted out inside even. Okay, we've got Hotel California next. Let's pull that down a bit, music on obviously. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm going to leave the video here before we get copyrighted. It's, yeah, like and subscribe as normal. Watch the one coming up in the card if you want to see more from Bendorm. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.